1. The Sun Temple is located in the Puri district of the state of Odisha, India. 2. This temple was recognized as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. 3. This temple is depicted on the back of the Indian 10 note to show its importance. 4. This temple is built with red-colored sandstone and black granite stones. 5. This temple was built in the year 1236 to 1264 BC by the then feudal King Narasimha Dev. 6. In today's time, thousands of devotees and tourists come here every day. 7. Many sculptures have been made on the walls of this temple. 8. Entry to this temple is free. 9. Due to the Jai Mandir being near the beach, the number of devotees is more. 10. There is more movement of devotees and tourists during the summer season.